Hola, soy Peppa. It's my birthday today and we are going to sing Happy Birthday in Spanish. And of course, we will also learn the colors, shapes, and numbers with my favorite toy, the Lola Learning Tablet. And now let's go to the garden to play with all my friends. First comes my little brother, George. Oh, and he has a present for me. Wow, it's a big surprise. Thank you, George. I love surprises. Let's see what else we have here. I wonder who this could be. Oh, hi, Miss Rabbit. You brought me a present too. Thank you, Miss Rabbit. What's inside? Wow, that is so beautiful. Thank you, and you can even put your toys inside. It's amazing. And it's also very colorful. Can you name all the colors that you see? Well, we have blue, yellow, green, red, pink, orange, and purple. Wow, that is one color for each day of the week. It's perfect. Thank you, Miss Rabbit. Next comes Danny Dog. Oh, he looks so handsome today. Thank you. And I brought you a present. Wow, thank you, Danny. What could this be? Is it a ball? No, it's not a ball. Do you want to open it? Sure. And it's... Oh wow, a fire truck. Wow, thank you, Danny. It's my favorite. I love firefighters. They're so brave. They help us when we need them. And I also like the sirens. Do you hear them? Wah, 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 wah. And the colors, they're red and white, my two favorite colors. Thank you, Danny. You are the best friend ever. Next, we will have to wait a bit more because first we must prepare everything for the big cake. We will need lots of candles, and these candles are in different shapes. Can you name the shapes? Of course, there is a circle, a triangle, a square, a rectangle, and a star. And of course, they are all made out of chocolate. They look so delicious. Let's get the cake. This one is chocolate, my favorite. And of course, it has many candles. And I also see some fruits on top. There are strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and cherries. That smells so good, and how old am I today? Let's count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, I'm already 7 years old. That means I'm almost a teenager. Now we can sing Las Manitas. Las Manitas, Las Manitas, Las Manitas, Chiquititas, choir and Baylor. All my fingers, all my fingers, all my little fingers want to dance. Once, twice, 3 times, 4. All my fingers, all my fingers, all my little fingers want to dance. Now we must wait for our last guest to arrive. It's Freddy Fox and his family. Hello, everybody. Hello, and we also have a present for you. Thank you. What could this be? Open it. Oh, wow, a big farm with lots of animals. Thank you, Peppa, and you know what? You can take care of them all day long or until bedtime. Oh, wow, this is so cool. Let's start playing. First, we are going to feed all the animals. And to do that, we need numbers. Can you help me count the animals? Sure. There is 1 pig, 2 cows, 3 horses, 4 ducks, 5 sheep, 6 chickens, 7 goats, 8 rabbits, 9 dogs, and 10 cats. Wow, that's a lot of animals. Now we can feed them all. First, we will feed the horses. Hey girls, come here. I have something for you. Oh wow, thank you. Here you go, Mr. Pig, and thank you. And next, we will feed the cows. Moo. Here you go. The chickens need some food too, and don't forget the ducks. And then we will give water to the thirsty goats. Next, we will feed the sheep. And these 2 little ones are so cute. The dogs also need some food. And the cats are waiting for their turn. And now all the animals are happy and full. Let's change the game and start brushing their fur. Oh, the horse's fur is tangled. Let's brush her hair. And she looks so beautiful. Next, we will brush the cows. Look how shiny their coats are. And then we have to clean the pigs. Oh, they are all dirty after playing in the mud. And of course, we cannot forget about the sheep. Their wool is so fluffy. And these 2 little ones are also very cute. Next, we will brush the rabbits, and then we can brush the ducks. They are also clean and fluffy. And now we can move on to the other animals. And finally, we have to brush the dogs and the cats. They are so soft and fluffy. Wow, taking care of these animals is really fun. But we have to stop for a moment to eat this delicious cake. Can you say cake in Spanish? That's right, it's el pastel. And let's sing El Pastel. El pastel, el pastel, el pastel de Peppa, tiene 7 velitas ardiendo en su honor. The candles are burning for Peppa, 7 candles burning for her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Somos con Peppa, somos con Peppa, somos con Peppa cantamos. let's dream of Peppa, let's dream of Peppa, let's dream of Peppa, singing and dancing. And now it's time to make a wish and blow out the candles. 1, 2, 3, make a wish, blow them out. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, make a wish. Blow them out. Did I do it? Yes, you did it. Wow, thank you everybody for being here and celebrating my birthday with me. You are the best friends ever. And now we can all enjoy the party. There are many games we can play, but my favorite is Simon Says. Simon Says touch your toes, touch your toes. Simon Says touch your nose, touch your nose. Simon Says touch your belly, touch your belly. Simon Says touch your knees, touch your knees. Simon Says touch your mouth, touch your mouth. Simon Says touch your chin, touch your chin. Simon Says touch your shoulder, touch your shoulder. Simon Says touch your toes, touch your toes. Simon Says touch your nose, touch your nose. Simon Says touch your belly, touch your belly. Simon Says touch your knees, touch your knees. Simon Says touch your mouth, touch your mouth. Simon Says touch your chin, touch your chin. And now we are going to play hide and seek. Ready, set, go. Where is Peppa? I see her behind the tree. She's saying, ready or not, here I come. Okay, found you. And next we will play tag. Ready, set, go. Am I it? Am I it? Am I it? I think I'm it. Am I it? Yes, you are it. Come and get me. I see you. You're it. Run away. I'm coming, I'm coming. And now it's time to play with my new toys. This farm is amazing. We have so many animals. Which one is your favorite? Mine is the little lamb. Can you say little lamb in Spanish? That's right. It's El Carterito. And now we are going to sing El Carterito. El Carterito, El Carterito, El Carterito perdido, no quiere seguir a su mamita. The little lamb, the little lamb, the little lamb lost, doesn't want to follow its mommy. No quiere, no quiere, no quiere, no quiere, no quiere. Doesn't want, doesn't want, doesn't want, doesn't want, doesn't want. Pobre Carterito. Oh, poor little lamb. Silo busques, silo busques, silo busques, silo busques, slow and contrast. If you looked for him, 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 you found him. Pobre Carterito. Oh, poor little lamb. We also got a big box full of blocks. Can you stack them up very high? Sure, let's try. And of course we have to build a tower for the birthday girl. That's a beautiful tower, thank you. And of course we can also use them to build a house for all the animals. That is a nice house. And then we can play with this toy kitchen and prepare some food for all the animals. They must be so hungry. I think they need some food. And then we can pretend that we are at the farm and take care of the animals. That is so much fun. And I also got a new scooter. Wow, it's beautiful. Can I have a ride? Sure, I will push you. We are going to play with my new fire truck. It's so cool, and it has a siren. Wah, 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 wah. I like the lights too. They are flashing. 3. And then we can also pretend that we are firefighters and save people from burning buildings. We are super brave. Thank you, I love being a firefighter. I'll go now. Thank you for coming to my birthday party. It was so much fun. Bye, everybody.